Hi guys, today we are going to discuss the things we need to consider before starting our PTE exam. The first thing that you need to pay attention to is your acceptable form of ID. So on your test day, make sure you carry an acceptable form of ID with you. In most cases, that's a passport. So again, if you don't carry a passport with you, you won't be able to take the exam. Second is arrival time. Now make sure on your test day, you reach at least 30 minutes prior to your test timing. Third is prepare your bag. Now you can prepare your bag a night before your exam. You can put your belongings like your template, especially your passport, into your bag. Fourth is storing items into the locker. Now the test center will provide you a locker where you can put your belongings like your templates, study materials, your watch, mobile phones, water bottles, jewelry and all the accessories into your locker. Fifth one, no breaks. Now make sure you don't drink too much water because there are no breaks in between to use the restroom. Sixth one, appropriate clothing. Now make sure you wear appropriate clothing as per the weather. Now if you wear too much heavy clothes, that will make you uncomfortable during the entire test. The seventh one, avoid practicing. Now on your test day, you must avoid practicing a lot of questions. Now you must avoid doing mock test as well because that will make you tired. Last one, relax yourself. You must relax yourself. If you're feeling a little bit of tiredness and nervousness on your test day, you must do some breathing exercises. Thank you for watching the video.